right, salivator trade here on dollar yen. Taking my full position here, setting a 5-pip stop down at 70.6. And looking for a bounce. You also have Aussie dollar, Euro dollar hitting passive sell zones. I'm going to stay focused here on the dollar yen just because I am in a full position here. But anyone coming back and watching this video, you also got setups here on, again, the Aussie dollar and Euro dollar. Break even. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Getting a quick bounce here. Looking to take 10 off half my position. I'm going to hold on to the other half here if I can get it. Sitting at 9.1. Again, risk removed out of the trade. We're sitting at break even now. So worst case scenario, we get a wash in the trade. Look to re-enter if we push down to this 55 level. But at least we're protected. There's 9.2, there's 10. Taking half off there for 10, 2 lots, couple $100 in the bank. Gonna go ahead and move stop up to +1 at 77. And holding my other 2 lots to see if we can get a bounce up here closer to the 90s big figure area. Patience, patience, patience. It's paying off. Made a low of 74. Our entry level is at 75. Doesn't get much better than that. And up to break even within about 30 seconds. Optimal trade. And that's why these passive trades are such a high probability and able to remove the risk so quickly on them. 18. I'm going to take one more lot off here. Looks like I got 17, another $170. And still going to hold on to this other trade. Locking a couple more pips now. Just locked in 4 pips and holding the remainder still. You know what? I'm going to take what I got here, put in another 19 and change, just under another $200 in the trade, and that is how it's done. Beautiful. Non-farm payroll, baby. So again, just to kind of recap here what happened, dollar yen. You can see this big whipsaw that we had came from non-farm payrolls. We just made this last dip down here. Again, the low is at 74. If we go here to the matrix, my entry was, at the time, it was this black PMD was sitting at 75. So overshot by about 1 pip. And from there, you know, we're at break even in no time. You can see this candle just got completely sucked up here. But all these trades, the way that we manage them, you know, they're all the same. Using the same size of stops, coming in, going to break even once we're up some pips, locking in a couple pips to cover commission, and then look to start taking scalping profits. And if you're one of those traders that takes multiple positions, you know, there's some of these trades that we have the ability to scale out for a little bit longer. You know, I've scaled out trades for well over 100 pips that started with a 5 or 7 pip stop loss, and it all comes from having a precise entry and a tight stop, then removing the risk, and whatever happens in the trade happens. But whether you're wrong or you're right, you're protecting yourself monetarily and also removing a lot of the emotion out of the trade once you go to a break even.
Fibonacci walls, take a couple lots here. Go ahead and set a 5-point stop. It's going to put us up at 73. Boom. All right. If we can get the price to go ahead and start moving back in our favor, move our stop loss to break even, remove the risk in the trade, and then look to start taking some profit. And starting to get our bounce now on euro dollar, we'll go ahead and go to a break even, remove the risk of the trade, and see if we can get a quick 10 out of this. Couple more points, and just going to go ahead and take my full position off. Being later in the day, don't want to hold anything over the weekend. And there's 10 points here, and we're out. Another $300 in about maybe a minute. And that is it. You guys have a phenomenal weekend. We'll see you again on Monday. Bye.